AnkerWork M650 wireless lavalier microphone. So this is a wonderful microphone that has 2 channels for quality pickup, 15 hours of battery use when used with the case for charging, and then 6 hours individually on a single charge for the actual transmitters itself. So this is the transmitter. You can see it's got a mute button on the side there, but it's not turned on quite yet because I haven't officially opened it. But then you can actually clip this via the clip at the back there, or you can also use it magnetically. So 2 ways to apply this or have it held on your clothing. And then on here you can see the wind preventers, great for when you are interviewing outside, just to have better sound quality in itself. Those are also called wind screens. That's how you connect it there. Then you can see the Type-C cable here for charging purposes. We've got a aux cable as well, great for connecting to computers or cameras. And then we've got the replaceable TX covers. You get 2 of those if you want to change up the look of it. And then this would be just a travel case or bag for it. And then different attachments. You've got the lightning adapter and the USB-C adapter as well, which you will attach on to the receiver itself, as you can see here, which is touch screen, which makes it super wonderful for scrolling through. Connecting it was just a simple step, and you can see the blue light indicates that it is on, and you can see my voice being picked up on there. Here's a quick look at how to use it magnetically, and as for connecting it to your devices, I've just connected it to a iPad here. You can do it to your iPad or your phone. And just a quick sound check, as you can see through here, really just like shields any kind of background noise, which I super appreciate. You can use it in natural, low, or high settings. As far as transmitting stuff over to your computer, it was a very simple process. Here you can see my complete recording. Check it out. This is trying out the AnkerWork microphone.